How to fix Messenger bubble not showing or chat heads not showing error on the Messenger app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll show you how you can fix if your Messenger bubbles are not showing up, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first things first, you just want to come over to your Play Store, and if there is an update button next to Messenger app, tap on the update button in order to update the Messenger app to the latest version. Now I already understand what the issue is. Your issue is that whenever someone sends you a message, it doesn't show up in the bubble and it only gives you a notification, and maybe you have to go inside Messenger app every time. Now previously, as you're aware, Messenger had the bubble feature, which is also called chat heads, or which is also called Messenger bubbles. And in order to fix that, it's because that your Messenger app is only lacking one specific permission, and that permission is called appear on top permission, or sometimes it is also called drawing over other apps permission. So it's appear on top or the drawing over other apps permission. When your Messenger app is not given this access, you will not be able to enable chat heads. So let me show you what the issue is. I'll just open it up, and let's say I want to open a specific chat head. I'll just open someone's profile. I'll tap on the I button right next to it over here, and then I'll tap on the three dots. Here you'll find the option called open chat heads, right? You just want to tap on the open chat head option. Now when you tap on open chat head, it might open the chat head, but if not, it'll give you this option that says that you need to enable a permission. So just go to the option called go to settings. Here you can see this is the appear on top permission. Scroll down, select Messenger, and then just enable this. Now once you've enabled Messenger over here, you can come back, and then when you tap on the three dots, when you select open chat heads, you should be able to show up in the bubble just like this, as you can see over here. Now in case you don't find this, there's also another thing you can do. Long press on the Messenger app icon, then tap on the I button, and when you'll come to the app information page where you need to scroll down, choose the appear on top option over here, and you want to make sure to allow the permission. And if you've disabled this, you will not receive chat heads. If you enable this, you will receive the bubble messages. That's all it takes to fix Messenger bubbles not showing. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.